Hey everybody, what's up? Day 20. Didn't think we'd ever make it here, but we only got 5 more days to go till Christmas, until we do a big giveaway. We got 10 days for that. December 30th, 8 p.m. Central Time, weather permitting, of course. We'll be giving away all 25 items that we've made this week, this month, this series, all for you guys. We've had a blast doing it. We've learned some things. We've failed. We've succeeded. And hey, hopefully we've brought some new friends to the family. Today, guys, we're going to be making another keychain. This is one of the keychains we bought off of Temu. It is this shape here, kind of a dog tag, if you say. They are beech, I believe, maybe a little oak. I don't know. There's some kind of hardwood. But we're going to put a Marvel logo on there. We're going to do Iron Man on there today. So, guys, without further ado, let's take it over to Luther. And hopefully, Luther's got something to say today. He has been very, very quiet as of lately. I don't know. Luther, got anything to say? Nothing. Nothing at all, guys. He's got nothing to say. Unfortunately, I don't know. Guys, 50 views and Luther will talk. I saw him post he had a little picket sign the other day. I thought he was going on strike. I was worried, to tell you that, to be honest with you. I was a little worried. I thought he was going to picket and leave the shop. And I was going to be very sad for Luther, the laser. So, again, we're going to put a Iron Man logo here on this keychain. So without further ado, let's go back to Luther. Maybe he's got something to say now. And I guess he doesn't. So let's just go ahead. Let's start it and enjoy, guys. And that is it, guys. Very, very quick burn on that one. It's basically an outline. And I screwed up because it is not centered. But, guys, again, we like to show our failures. We like to show our successes.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
What's up, guys? It's day 20. This is part 2. So, the first keychain we made went so fast. Why not make another one? We're not going to do Marvel this time. We're going to do a Harry Potter.
You're a wizard, Harry.
We recently purchased a file. I think it was 99 cents on Etsy, but it's for the four houses. They're usually Christmas ornaments, I think. But we're going to put it on a keychain. So we have these round keychains that we bought out of Temu. We're going to throw it on a keychain. So let's see what we can do. Let's go over to our program. So here is what we are going to do. We're going to do Hufflepuff. Hufflepuff. Going to be an 1.5 inch round, and it's going to take approximately 2 minutes and 43 seconds is what it says. So let's go over to Luther and see what he has to say. Luther, good evening. Still nothing, guys. Nothing, guys. If you want to hear from Luther, we got to watch the videos 50 times. And Luther will finally speak. I've even got him Christmas presents to help him maybe loosen him up a little bit. You never know. Maybe New Year's we'll have a drink or two. Who knows? So, Luther, thank you for joining us. Let's go ahead and
After all this time. Always.
Alright guys, so as you can see, she zeroed out and then buzzed at you. But Hufflepuff, there we go. It off-centered it again. We did do a Gryffindor one earlier in the week. It did the same thing on that one. So, not real sure why it's doing that. But yeah, Gryffindor and Hufflepuff. So, we'll give one of these away to whichever one you want for day 20 of our giveaway. Guys, come back tomorrow for day 21. Bye. Oh, 25 days. Guys, this is a short one. I really thought it would take longer than that, to be totally honest with you. But guys, thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting down below. Make sure you comment to win any of the last 20 items that we've made, plus the next 5. 24 and 25, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day are some bangers, guys. You'll enjoy those a lot. 25, you actually get to pick what you win, so that's going to be fun. But guys, without further ado, we'll see you later. Be decent, human, do one good thing for everybody, and Iron Rain out.